Hey there, are you tired of dealing with failed or declined payments on Cash App? In this guide, we're diving into how to fix Cash App payments failing or declining. Cash App is a convenient tool for sending and receiving money, but occasionally transactions don't go as smoothly as we'd like. Don't worry, we've got the solutions to help you overcome these common hurdles so you can get back to making seamless transactions with ease. Step 1. Verify your account detail. One of the primary reasons for payment failures on Cash App is incorrect account detail. Ensure that your bank account and card information are up to date and accurately entered. To verify this, open the app and navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. From there, select linked banks or linked cards and review the attached information. Correct any discrepancies you find to ensure smooth transactions in the future. Double-checking account details can prevent unnecessary transaction issues before they occur. Step 2. Check your Cash App and bank balance. Another reason for failed payments could be insufficient funds in your account. For initiating a transaction, make sure you have enough funds in both your Cash App and linked bank account. Open the app and check your balance at the top of your screen. Additionally, log into your banking app or website to verify your bank balance matches the amount you wish to transfer. Keeping an eye on your balance can prevent payments from being declined due to insufficient funds. Step 3. Ensure a stable internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can lead to transaction problems on Cash App. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal when making a payment. If you suspect connectivity issues, try restarting your device or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which offers a stronger connection. Strong connectivity ensures that your transactions process without interruptions or failures. Step 4. Update the Cash App to the latest version. Outdated software can sometimes cause problems with app functionality. Check if there are any updates available for the Cash App on your phone. Go to the App Store on iOS devices or Google Play Store on Android devices and search Cash App. If an update is available, tap on Update to ensure you have the latest version installed. Keeping your app updated helps you take advantage of new features and bug fixes that could resolve payment issues. Step 5. Confirm your account status. If your Cash App account is not fully verified, payment restrictions may apply. To verify your account, provide all necessary information requested by Cash App, such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Completing this verification process may lift any restrictions and allow higher transaction limits, enabling smoother payment processing. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. When all else fails, reaching out to Cash App support can help resolve persistent payment issues. Navigate to the help section within the app by scrolling down to the bottom and tapping on Cash Support. Follow the prompts to contact the support agent, providing specific details about the transaction issue you're facing. Professional support can offer personalized solutions to get your payments back on track. By following these steps on how to fix Cash App payments failing or declining, you can troubleshoot and resolve common issues, ensuring your transactions proceed smoothly. Whether it's verifying account details, confirming funds, or updating the app, these proactive measures minimize the chances of payment failure. Remember, occasional glitches happen to everyone, but armed with this guide, you're now equipped to tackle them head on. Enjoy your trouble-free transactions with Cash App and keep those payments flowing without a hitch.